Marketing department is assigned to create different strategies for launching our new products and services in IT. Therefore, we use social media as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, which is fundamental to rise our sales in the future. Uh, our target market is the young people because they use constantly a smartphone and they are connecting with internet every day. So uh, we we have to be careful with the advertising because the young people dislike to see many advertisements in the media, so we have to use other strategies.